Hello everyone, my name is Crystal and I am the owner of The Face Wardrobe. We are a small studio located in Palm Beach Gardens, and we also do retail our own cosmetics. So far in our collection, we only have lashes and we have eyeliner adhesives. Last year during COVID, I was able to launch an eyeliner adhesive. It's a 2-in-1 pen that allows you to put on your eyelashes effortlessly, and it's very beginner friendly. This was the pen, and while many of our customers loved and supported us and we're super grateful for you, me personally being a business owner and entrepreneur, I'm always striving to be better, and there were a couple problems with this pen that I was able to collect feedback on. So there were just things that I didn't love about this pen. So over the course of a year, I've been constantly trying to find ways to make this pen even more user-friendly and just even more amazing than what it already is. And I finally feel like I found the perfect formula, the perfect packaging, and just the perfect aesthetic as it pertains to my brand. So I'm super happy to show you guys, drum roll please, the new version of our eyeliner adhesives. Okay, so these are the new pens. As you can see, they're so beautiful. The packaging is just so sleek, so classy. And one of my favorite things about this packaging is right at the top, you have a cute little diamond, you know, because us girls, we want to be glam. And so everything about this new packaging is just so amazing to me in comparison to this one. And for me, it's not just about the aesthetic. These pens, the quality of them is also better. The old pen was a 12-hour wear. This new pen is a 24-hour wear. The formula is a lot looser and wetter, so you don't have to worry about your pen drying out due to the adhesive. And I'm just super excited to bring these pens to market. I'm just super excited for you guys to try these. They now come in 3 colors. So we have black liner, brown liner, and we have clear, which is really amazing for girls who don't want to wear liner. And I just want to show you guys how amazing the formula is. As you can see, it's very black. Okay, it's very wet. You don't have to worry about it drying out. These pens are just so absolutely amazing and beautiful. I want to thank all my customers who supported my small business and bought the old version of the pen. While it was amazing, it just wasn't what I was striving for. And this new pen is just everything that I have worked for and everything that I've put into it. I love bringing you guys products that will get the job done effortlessly and look beautiful while doing it. So I just want to say thank you so much to every single person that has purchased one of our eyeliner adhesives. This new formula will be available soon. It is not currently available yet, but I just want to thank you guys for your support. And if you would like the link to sign up for the pre-order list, go ahead and comment below. And also, if you are subscribed to the website, you will be receiving a special code to save $5 on this new formula and this new pen. And I just can't wait for you guys to try it. Thank you so much. And we just have so much in store for you. So we cannot wait for you guys to add this to your collection and dress your face. Face wardrobe, baby.